Hope everyone's well, having a great day today. Today I've got some short crust pastry sheets. I'm going to try and make a quiche. Can't say I've ever made one before. Got a Pyrex dish there. I've got some Kerrygold to go around the inside of that, and there you go, bit of bacon, thick cut, couple of leftover hot dogs from yesterday, and got half an onion which I'm going to cut up and try and got some mushrooms as well. So my wife made a quiche earlier. She likes to peel her mushrooms. I said chuck them in a box and I'll use them up. Don't worry about me. I'm going to chuck them bits in there with some mushrooms and just going to make them golden. Get the bacon cooking straight away. So just a bit of Kerrygold in there. To that I'm just going to add the mushrooms. And all the bits she cut off. So I suppose it's going to be a mushroom bacon hot dog. I really should write these ingredients down, shouldn't I? Let's try again. So mushrooms, hot dogs, yep, onion. Of course, don't forget about the onion. So with the Kerrygold, I've just smeared the inside of the pan. So there's one hot dog. There's the other hot dog. So hopefully that should take on some of that buttery flavour. Onion. Let's do the onion quickly. And the bacon. Let's put the onion. There's a bit of bacon. Just get that doing its thing. And it's chopped. That's that done. Does it look like I've done this before? No, I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to look like that, but you know. So like that, pushing the corners. Probably should have practiced first. That'd be alright with it. Another day I'll wing with it. I reckon I could have done with a bigger one of them. But there you go. Gonna bang that in the oven. It was this point I thought I probably should have read the instructions on the box rather than trying to wing it. But you know, You do these things, didn't you? Try and keep that a bit. Ready for these ingredients. That's coming on. Just needs a bit of time, doesn't it? So I'm thinking now that maybe I'll probably use half the ingredients, and the other half I might do some mash during the week and chuck the ingredients in the mash. I could have some hot dogs with the bacon and the onion and the mushrooms. And some gravy, don't forget the gravy. There's still something missing, I think. Still need some cheese, some eggs, and of course, it wouldn't be right unless there was any jalapenos in it. Right, so I'm just going to add 3 eggs in there. Just need to break them up a bit. It's them broken. Got some of that. Got some of them ingredients in there. The hot dogs, the bacon, the onions, the mushrooms. And we've got some fine then. Got some jalapenos, of course. So they're in there. Got some mature cheddar. So that's that. And hopefully, when I get the base out in a minute, just a bit of plonk these ingredients in. Let it do its thing. Right, so I can confirm the crusts aren't going to burn. I don't think. Because it currently looks like they're at the bottom of that Pyrex dish. Hopefully. I mean, it might taste a bit different. I mean, the ingredients are in there. They're within the pastry bit, which has kind of shrunk. And she did warn me that it might shrink. Did I listen to her? Did I know best? Of course. So, probably too much cheese as well. But, you know, that'll be alright. Hopefully it will come out, it will look amazing, and I'm sure it'll taste alright. We can push that bit of crust down a little bit, just so it stands a chance not to burn. So, is it going to look like a shop bought quiche? No, it's not, because I made it. And look, it's got jalapenos in it. About a quarter of an hour, 15 minutes. Might even be 16 minutes. But there you go. It's cooked. It's looking different to what I thought it might look like, but another first for me, which is always good. As long as I'm cooking, I'm still enjoying it. Is it going to come out? What do you reckon? Well, Let's just hold that thought. Did it come out? Oh, I've not even tried. But I've got a plate here somewhere. There we go. Just cut a few tomatoes up on the plate. I mean, it's come out. Pop it on the plate and we'll have a look at it. So it looks quite dense, but it's all in there. Bacon, mushrooms, onions, jalapenos, cheese, and hot dogs, of course. Obviously the pastry as well. It's just I flipped it so you could see the bottom. So it's not overly cooked. It's a bit crispy there, but you know, because of the amount of cheese in there and that, I'd have thought that'd probably be all right. Just cut a bit of tomato. It's going to fall over when I pick it up. Do you know what? It ain't. There you go. Looks quite dense. I'm sure it tastes delicious. And with that, my salady bits, I've just done some chips. Chips are easy. A few chips to go with it. Bit of tomato sauce. Bit of black pepper. And on the chips, especially on tomatoes, love a bit of that. And just a bit of salt on that. There you go. Dinner is done for another day. Bit of tomato there, chips, McCain, crinkle cut, just a tomato, and there it is. First attempt quiche. So there it is in all its glory. Dinner tonight. It's got lemonade, bit of Vimto, bit of ice. And yeah, that's always going to be banging out. As for the quiche, first taste, slam a bit of sauce on it. Yep. Wow. That tastes really nice. Yeah. So yeah, another win for me. Might have to do a bit more tomato, but so yeah, is it dense enough to hold it together? I think that tells you. I mean, wow, it's hot. Obviously just come out the oven. But hot dog, the bacon, the jalapenos, the cheese, the mushrooms. I didn't write all this down, didn't I, really? Enjoy your day, people. I'll catch you tomorrow, won't I? See you later. Bye-bye.